Hi everyone, I have a package here from yourcreativestudio.com. They reached out to me and asked if they can send me one of their subscription boxes, and of course I said yes, and I was so stoked when she told me that this was a bee themed box. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to dive in and see what they have. They always send these beautiful little thank you cards right here. Definitely save those. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, I'm so excited. Their cards always match their theme. Save this. Use it for ephemera. Use it for a junk journal. I've definitely used these. They're so pretty. And then I'm going to take this out because I want to show you guys. This is how it comes packaged. Save this. I've shown you guys before where I use this as like a base paper and I put stickers on there to do like a collage sheet. You can cut this out as little ephemera pieces, so definitely save that. Okay, well, something already fell out of there, so that's going to be the first one that we open and dive on into. So here's just a little view of what the box looks like, but like I said, this one fell out when I picked that up, so we'll open this one first. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? It looks like a little book. That is super cute. I've saved these packagings before too with the intention of making like a little junk journal. So these are stickers in here. Look how cool that looks. I love that just like fanned out. So these are little stickers. So, oh, some of this is vellum. Oh, this is cool. This one feels like paper. Maybe these aren't stickers. This might just all be paper with vellum in the middle. Oh, this is cute. Oh, look at that little dragonfly. Oh, these are super pretty. These are gorgeous. So yeah, that's really pretty. I'm loving that. So I would use all of these and then save this outside piece right here. And then I would carefully try to pull this back like that and just slowly and carefully. And then I would use this as a cover for like a little tiny junk journal. I think that'd be really cute. So stay tuned. I might do a video on that. I think that'd be really fun. So let's use this up and let's go ahead and make that into a junk journal. So this little baggie right here, it says Washi. Again, save these. I've used these where I made like a little flip book out of it, and it came out really cute. So with these, I also carefully peel back that sticker right there. And then here is our washi in this orange. And you can see it has like a little honeycomb detail in the background. There's a little honey jar right there. See, there's a lid and there's a little jar. Really cute. This one is a stamp. Oh, that's really pretty. So we have our little bumblebee with our little flower right there. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I have never seen this charm before. Oh my gosh, it's a little bookmarker. This is cute. I need to make one of this. I have so much jewelry supplies because I love playing with beads. That's beautiful. I totally need to create this. That's amazing. And then let's see, we have another stamp and it shows you the little design right there. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this bookmarker, you guys. Totally need to make that. And let's see, we have a little honey pot here. And we have a slightly different shape honey pot. This one's a little bit bigger. And then right here, we have our honeycomb with our little bumblebees. Super cute. Love those. Ooh, look, we have some pretty little stickers here. Let me see. Can you guys see that? Hopefully you can see that. So let's see, we have some florals with some little jars. Some little like stars and circles down the side right here. Then we have some more florals with butterflies. I love that hollow on there. So pretty. Then here's the other one. The little butterfly. Gorgeous. Oh, I love this sticker sheet. Look at that. Be happy. Super cute. These are a translucent sticker. Love those. Then we have like tissue paper with its honeycomb right here. It says masking tape. Yeah, this is definitely like a tissue paper and it's not sticky on the back. So you can go ahead and like Mod Podge that down to another piece of paper. Then we have this little like paper pad. So it's just like a bunch of old letters. I like that there's like different shades. You see there's like a green and then there's some like brown and a darker brown. Then there's like a little bit of white in there. So those are really pretty. We have some little paper pad. Oh, just ripped that. Let's see. Oh, nice. This is like stuck together right here. So you could just go ahead and tear these off. Oh, that is gorgeous. I love that one right there. Oh, these are really pretty. Oh, see, these are like a vellum right here. I love this. I love that it's part paper, part vellum. Oh, that reminds me of Christmas time. So there's a little flip there. That's very cool. Oh my gosh, look at their notepad. That's gorgeous. So this is a little sticky note. So pretty. It matches with the stamp, doesn't it? Oh no, very similar with the floral and the little bee. Then let's see. This one I need to open up. Okay, open up the packaging on that. I would save this top portion right here and use it like a little ephemera piece. And it slides open like a Matchbox. So that's very cool. And then inside we have like little labels. Yeah, they're just like a bunch of little labels in here. Those are very pretty. Very vintage. I love that. I love vintage crafting. Vintage anything, really. I'm just like obsessed with. I've said it before. I feel like I was born in the wrong times. So that's very pretty. I like that it's a little Matchbox. I mean, you could always save this and then wrap another piece of paper in the background to use it. I might do that too and just keep it as it is. And let's see. Our last item here. Oh my gosh, look how pretty with the little honey dripping down. So we have paper. So here are your 6 designs. And then it tells you right here, 6 are sticker paper, 6 are vellum, 6 are art paper, and 6 are pattern paper. So let's open this up. That one's really pretty too. And then save this. I tell you guys all the time, save this packaging. This is a little bit nice and thicker. Definitely you could use this as like a junk journal cover. And this is just pretty. Like, look, you can see the little pattern on here. It's very, very pretty. Definitely save that. And then here is the full sheet of the packaging as well. So definitely save that. If you cut right here, you could cut this off and then, you know, use the little items over here. Or what I've done is I've just kind of stuck it down with putting another paper on the background. I'll glue that down. And then I'll find like a little ephemera piece just to cover the little spot where I tore it. So, yeah. Save that. That is very handy to have. And then here is our paper. Just beautiful. Look at the little honey dripping with the bee and the florals and the little berries. And then this one right here, we have our little bees and then a little bit of writing. I think I want to make a junk journal with this, you guys. I'm obsessed with this one. This kit is just so pretty. Definitely love it. Look at this one. That is so pretty. So these are just the regular paper. And then it has all those same patterns in vellum. We have those right here. And then this one's thicker, so I'm going to guess that this is the sticker one. Let's see. Yep, this is the sticker paper. So you have all of those same patterns again. And then that's the sticker paper. Oh, so this must be like, I think they call it art paper. So it has like a texture. I'm not sure if you can even see there's like little like grooves to the paper. So it's like a textured paper. And then it's all the same patterns again. Oh, I like that texture paper. So that's our little kit for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll leave a link down below to their website, to their Instagram. And I hope you guys are just having a wonderful day. And we'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.